I hide the number plate right now. So with the help of a rear mat guard, let's see. Oh, I was scared that there's a little hole out here, so I put a duct tape right here. So nothing affect because of this mud guard. It's good. Yeah, even the tail light. That is great. Hello, this is Northeast guy. 1 week back, I installed a Outlaw Tail Tidy, which I bought it from Bandido's Pit Stop, along with those spare indicator. Thought of doing a vlog about this, but see the weather, and weather is not so good this week. So if I kept on waiting, it will take time for me to upload. Even today the weather is not so good. So before that, let's take a cinematic view. This is the Outlaw Tail Tidy. I use 4 screws in here, and it's sturdy. I don't know why this doesn't reach the magnet, so we have a small welding in here. Now it touches the magnet and it's working fine now. And I will do a review on bumpy roads, whether this when we hide it, whether it fell or not. I'll show you that also. This is the spare indicator, which I bought it together. Bought it from Bandidos, both of them. It cost me like 3,500 with shipping itself.
You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. Tonight I'd lie for you, baby.
The road is bumpy and it's under construction. Let's check the Outlaw Magnetic, which I hide it, whether it fell down or not. Right after we pass this bad road, we are gonna check it out. So we already passed. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's still sticking perfectly. Now I'm gonna ride peacefully. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. This is the new channel, the Northeast Guy. Please subscribe and share to your friends. and show some love. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.